Hey friends, Spotify Music is one of the most popular music apps on the internet, and if you wish to download and install it on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the best way is to download it through the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store from the system tray or search for it in the Windows search bar and open it from there. Then search for Spotify. Hit enter. You will find Spotify Music here. Now it's already installed on my system and it's actually installed on everyone's system. All you need to do is click on open, or rather you can simply search for Spotify because it's there by default, and open the Spotify app. Now you can log into it if you have an account. If not, then you will obviously have to sign in. You'll have to sign up here by clicking on sign up for free. But if you have an account, you can log in, and when you try to log in, it will redirect you to the browser, and then you will get an option to log in here. And once you logged in on the online one, you can relaunch the app and then click on login once again. Continue to the app. It will ask for a few permissions and you are in with your account, and all of your favorite music is arranged accordingly. Now there's one more way. If you don't want to use the Microsoft Store because the Microsoft Store requires you to sign into your Microsoft account. So if you don't want to do that, then simply search for Spotify app download on your Bing search bar. I'll tell you why I prefer Bing over Google for this, because you get the download button directly. Now click on the download button and then click on the current version for Windows, and it will start downloading it, and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video to know further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.